Alright, here we are at box 2. Here's our list. Nice hit of a box. Saw through that thing. Alright, here we go. Good luck. Gino Torelli, Leroy Jordan, and a Brady Ewing, number to 750. 53 of 750. Filler, Bernie Kosar. I should have put some parallels of the base, some 101s or something. Mixed it up a little. Herschel Walker. We got a slot. Who is that? George Rogers. It's a different looking one. That may be an SP. I haven't seen one that's all black and white like that. It's a little different looking. Most of them have color. And we got Daryl Johnson, and we have a Lawrence Taylor. Alright, Todd Maravich. Rocket Ishmael. And a Michael Floyd jumbo swatch, number to 199. Not bad. That is 68 of 199. Nice card. And a Mike Allstott and Billy Cannon. Johnny Rutgers. Bo Jackson and a filler. George Rogers, Gale Sayers. Jim Plunkett. Tony Dorsett, filler. Gary Bevan, Aaron Rodgers. Seems like it's the same 30 players in the whole base. Funny. Chris Billings. And a Melvin Ingram, number 398 of 499. A neat rookie. That's pretty nice. And Cornelius Bennett and Bob Lilly. Earl Campbell. Warren Moon. A junior. That's a Junior Hemingway. Number to 750. Rookie. And Randy White. Drew Brees. And a slot of Johnny Rodgers. See, there's the color one. The other one's all black and white. Keith Jackson and Ron Yart. Steve Young. Ozzie Newsome. Filler. Joe Washington. Floyd Little. So far, we got the jumbo of Michael Floyd. Troy Aikman. Cabanone. Oh, David DeCastro. Superscripts. Auto. Nice looking card there. And Ty Detmer. Right. Jason White. Dave Capers. Roger Staubach. Herman Moore. Casper Kellerman and Jermaine Kearse, number to 499. Benito rookie. Danny Wolford. Jerry Rice. Mikael Kendricks, number to 750. Rookie. Ron Dane Stevenson. Tony Dorsett. Oh, there you go. There's an auto. Keyshawn Martin, numbered 83 of 225. I love their autos. Yeah, they look nice. They look real nice. And filler, Gary Bevan, Aaron Rodgers. Chris Spillman, Earl Campbell, Filler, Bennett, and Lilly. I'm not sending the base out for the XPX, of course. It has listening. If there's a particular player that you like, I'll send you his base. Just let me know. And, ooh, a Ryan Tannehill, number to 399. That's nice. Getting some good ones. Box 1 was a good one, too. Randy White and Keith Jackson. Pouring some good autos. Like to see a Griffin or a Luck tonight. Charles White. Thurman. And a slot of Jim Plunkett. And Billy Sims. Campbell, Plunkett, Spiller, and the Gabriel and Colston. Alright, that'll do it for box 2. Got the Tannehill out of there. Box 3 coming up next.